Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Bitbucket repositories from snapshots, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Bitbucket repositories from snapshots, start by accessing your Bitbucket account. Navigate to the repository you wish to restore. Locate the settings menu in the left sidebar. Click on repository settings to access the settings page. Next, find the snapshots option under the repository details section. Here, you will see a list of available snapshots for your repository. Identify the snapshot you wish to restore from the list. Click on the snapshot to view its details and changes. Once you are ready to restore, locate the Restore button. Click the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. A confirmation dialog will appear, prompting you to confirm your action. Review the information carefully and confirm your choice. The restoration process will begin, which may take a few moments. Once completed, you will receive a notification indicating the restoration's success. After restoring, navigate back to the repository's main page. Verify that the files and history reflect the state from the snapshot. If necessary, perform additional checks to ensure integrity. Make sure to communicate changes with your team if needed. Your repository is now successfully restored from the snapshot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.